All right, Marshmallow bunny. So this is a bunny, I think. It looks like a lobster claw. All right. Oh, that does not look good either. 1 minute on the clock. Wish it would focus better. But... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah.
Yuck.
Looks like the...
It's like Alien.
Or Ghostbusters. The
Stay-Puft Marshmallow Man? Yeah. Oh my god. That is heinous.
That is gonna be a mess.
That's pretty cool though. Alright, that's good enough.
This is the worst part. It's just gonna all deflate.
And it's totally unedible.
No, it's still edible.
Alright, here you go.
I can't eat it until Sunday. Want me to bring it home with me?
Want some?
Ew.